Hey everyone, today I'm going to go over my tattoo collection, which will be released on April 1st. So there are not just tattoo collection items in the release, but some other items like doodle trackers and labels. But first, I'm going to go through the tattoo collection. This is All My Money Goes to Tattoos. My tattoos tell the story of my life. This next one is my favorite. I hate getting shots, but I love getting tattoos. If you have tattoos, you'll understand. Next is Tattoos Are Art, and it's a muted black. It's not complete black, so it's nice and opaque. And then Tatted and Badass, and it's in the color scheme of the collection. Also, those come in both vinyl and paper options. I am releasing a whole bunch of doodle habit trackers, but I'm going to go over those after I go over my tattoo collection, as well as these little checklists in the back. I'll go over those in a second, but first we have some burgundy flowers, some purple flowers, some blue flowers, and some black flowers. It's kind of hard to tell the difference of the colors, but if you order them, you'll obviously tell that they are different colors, and the listings will also have better images. So I got some budget trackers. These have designs and colors on them. Some quarter boxes. They have designs as well. It's kind of hard to see the blue one, but it's also like a paintbrush design, which is similar to the paintbrush designs on these. These are the big Happy Planner checkboxes with some designs which are also available in classic size. These extend a vertical box, so they won't fit perfectly, but they fit the width of a box perfectly. These are big Happy Planner washi strips. They fit the width of a vertical box, and these are the 3-sized classic Happy Planner washi strips. Those go over the 4-day, 3-day, and 1-day. These are date covers that have deco boxes on them, or decorations on them, and then just plain borderless date covers. These are the rocker hands. They are available in black and then rainbow. Again, it's kind of hard to see on my video, but it's just a traditional rainbow on the other option. These are tattoo arms. You get 2 designs and then 6 blank ones, so you can decorate your own. These are labels, so you can use these in various ways. They have a darker side and then a lighter side, so you can put whatever you want. Like, goodness, so many ways you can use these. They come in all the colors, by the way, the rainbow colors and in gray, but you can use them to track, oh goodness, bills, appointments, to-dos. There are so many different ways that you can use these. You don't even have to use them in your planner. Also, I actually use these to label items like my inventory, for example. I use these to label how I organize all my inventory, which is super helpful because you do get a bunch on one sheet and they come in different shades. So depending on which shade of the color you're looking for, it will be there. These are the 3-dot checklists. I currently have 3-dot and 5 dots, but I made a 3-dot only one based on customer requests. I have 3 different rainbows. I have like a pastel, a true, and then like a darker rainbow, which is in the top left. So you have options as that for that. And these colors are just the tattoo collection colors. All right, so this is the exciting part. Not that the other items weren't exciting, but these are my doodle trackers. And I got all of these, not all of the suggestions, but a lot of suggestions from customers on what they would like to see. So I have dated and undated, and they come 4 to a sheet, and you can use them for your week. You can use them for the day. You can use trackers in so many different ways. Let's see, some examples are like for this one, the watermelon, you can track how many servings of fruit you had in a day. Or that one that has Monday through Sunday on it, the dated ones, you can mark off how many days you had your amount of fruit. Or if you have a spread that is a certain theme and one of these would go with it, that would also work as well. These are really fun to make, and people just gave me like a 1-word not decision, but option or suggestion, and I was able to creatively come up with something like a cow. I wasn't sure how to do it, and I don't know how to draw cows. I've never drawn a cow before, but it was fun. I really enjoy doing it, and I love getting suggestions from customers, not only because they're the ones who buy my products, but as creative as I think I am, sometimes I need to step out of my box and try and do something that can combine my creativity with other people's ideas. Collaboration is really useful in any part of life, and so I'm really glad to be able to do this. All right, so that's pretty much it. It is going to be a massive release. It was a lot of hard work, but I'm really glad that I'm able to get all of these items out there. Again, they all come to the shop on April 1st. I will leave a link in my description to my shop. You can also follow me on Instagram, which I'll also link, so you will be notified of when the release comes out, but also the sale information. All right, so I'm just going to show you one more time my favorite item, which is that I hate getting shots but love getting tattoos, which is actually on some of my kits. I actually just realized I didn't go through my actual kits, so I'm going to actually just post some pictures and not do a video of it. So let's just go through those real quick. All right, so the first one is the PP Weeks B6 format. It is on a 1-page kit, and it has deco boxes, checklists, basically everything that you see here. So vibrant, so fun. There's the 1-page minimalist kit for a classic happy planner, and then also for the big happy planner. Very similar, just different sizing. And this is the other page of the Big Happy Planner Minimalist Kit, and this is it together. So you can see a lot of white space for those who need a lot of room to write. And this is the Big Happy Planner Full Kit. It was probably the most fun I've had creating a kit in a long time, or an actual spread. So hopefully you are as excited as I am. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. All right, bye.